Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are looking how to create MetroBank account online, then you are on the right place. So let's get started. First thing first, open any web browser as I have opened Google. Now search for the MetroBank from the search engine and simply tap on the MetroBank option available on the top. Then you can see personal and business option available in the highlights. Now simply tap on the personal and tap on the apply now option available there. Then simply tap on the apply now online option available there and you will be navigated to a application form. Now all you have to do is fill up the required information and remember to create a unique username and a strong password. After this, enroll a deposit account or a credit card account. Now review and confirm the information you provided and simply click on the next after done. Now verify your email address after providing the 6-digit one-time password OTP sent to your email. Now create a MetroBank passcode. This passcode authorizes your transactions on MetroBank Online. Do not forget this passcode. Do not share it with anyone as well. Now you'll have to provide the 6-digit OTP sent to your registered mobile number to verify your mobile number as well. So that's it. Now you can use your MetroBank Online. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.